lecture.
Got it.
Okay, so today what we will do, we will create some, we will make a can script in which it will destroy the other cans. A bomb can will be there and a non-bomb can will be there. Okay, so this will be our can. You can see like this. Okay, so what we have to do is we can create a empty game object, because we have to create we can create like for demo we can create 3 levels. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will create a levels game object over here, and then we can just drag and drop the can parents under the levels. Okay, and we can,
Okay.
what we can do, we can rename it to level 1. Okay, and we can just copy paste it like this, and copy paste and copy paste, like 3 levels are there now. And but what we have to do, we will close all the levels. Okay, and then what we will do, right now we don't have the levels uh, game object. Okay, so we have to
Okay.
create the all levels game object, which will be array, and we will just drag and drop this levels into that. So let's open
Yeah.
up our game manager script. Okay, in the game manager script we will create our all levels variable, which will be array. Okay, and then we will assign it to that array. Okay, so just wait a second. Yeah, so now what we have to do, okay, this is levels. Okay, so what we have to do, public game object, public game object, this is array, and we can call it all levels like this. This is the variable, and what we can do is we have to open up the level when the game, whenever the game is start. Okay,
Okay.
we have to open the level, open that specific level. So for that what we can do, there is a trick. We can do like all levels, all levels and the brackets. Okay, and here is the integer value of current level. Okay, if the current level is 1, then we have to open, we have to just make it -1.
Level 1.
Yeah, it will
Okay,
be
but
level
what
1.
if but what if I reach like level 4 or 5, but then I left the game for a few days and then I come back, I want to play?
Yeah,
Will
yeah,
it
we
return to
will.
the same? I don't want to go back to 1.
Yeah, we will do that.
Yeah.
We will do that. It will be, it is called player prefs. So we will store the current level
Player what?
value. Player prefs, I can write it. I can, it will be a player prefs, player
Oh, okay.
pref. So I will show you. That is we can use for the internal data storage. Okay, in the phone.
Yeah.
So we can just save that level number. Let's say if the user have passes 5 levels and just he just closes the application, and after a few days he come back. So what we will do, we will, whenever he quit the application, we will save the current level number. Like the current level number is 5, so we will save it into the integer, and that integer will save into the phone's memory. This is called the player prefs in the Unity. Okay, so right now what we have done is we are opening the current level from the code. Okay, so let's see the game manager script, and we have to assign. Now you can see all levels over here. Right now there are 3 levels,
10.
and
Okay.
we have to assign
I thought
each
we were
level.
planning.
We have to assign each level. Okay, so something like this. Okay, here is a light breakdown, but we can continue our class because everything is working. Okay, बाहर लाइट दे दो यार.